G'day guys, Troy from MoTackle and Outdoors here. I'm going to show you a simple and easy way on how to make salt and pepper squid. We have our oil in the pan ready to go, we have our squid tubes, we have our salt and pepper, we have our flour, our chilies, our garlic and our spring onions. Our squid tube's clean, now it's time to open it up and score it. So here I'm scoring it in about 1 centimetre lines here, all the way across it on an angle. Don't go all the way through. And score it the other way, and now I cut it into bite-sized pieces. So when you're scoring the squid, I like to have my knife on an angle and don't score all the way through. Our squid tubes are now scored and then in the bowl, ready for our coating. So in the bowl we have 1/4 cup of corn flour and 1/4 cup of plain flour. So now add the flour in on top of the squid and mix it up, just so they've got a nice light coating. So now the squid's all covered in the coating. When we put it on our plate here, we'll just shake it off and get any excess flour off. So we're going to add a bit more flavour to ours. We're going to garlic, chilies and spring onions. We're going to squash our garlic and then cut it up nice and fine. So I'm only going to add 1 chilli, but if you like it hot, you can add an extra one. Yeah, so I'm cutting the chilli up. I'm going to take the seeds out because I like it just a mild flavour. Now I'm just going to cut the chilli into nice, fine little pieces. You only need really 2 tubes of spring onion, so we'll chop it up. So we've got our squid, our aromatics, our salt and pepper, and now we'll go over to the pan. So this is a 2-stage process. So first we're going to start with the squid. So we'll chuck the squid in, but don't put it all in at once, we'll do it in batches. And cook it until it's golden brown. Now we've cooked the squid, wiped out the pan, and we'll add a little bit more oil. And we'll chuck in the aromatics. Now just frying off the aromatics. Now I'll add in the squid. Now toss the squid around in the aromatics. Give them a nice coating. Now last we'll put in some salt and pepper. There you go guys, there's my easy salt and pepper squid. So for the full recipe and instructions, they're in the description below. Now guys, I'm off to eat this, so see yous on the water.